Welcome, all you wonderful people, and welcome to Varsha's Love Bites. With me, your host, Ninja. We have with us Varsha, who's come all the way from Mauritius. Reports say that she's trained under Sanjeev Kapoor of India, so she's like the master chef of Mauritius. And she's making this exotic dish for us from all the way from Mauritius. It's called Le Pahadi. Varsha, what exactly is Le Pahadi?
Actually, le paradis is an exotic dish that people make for Easter, and especially for the vegetarians. So what we have right now is, as you can see, cucumber and tomatoes, butter and bread.
Okay, so it's like when non-vegetarians have their Easter egg, you have Le Pahadi
Yeah.
too. Awesome. So how do we make it?
So we're going to start by cutting the cucumbers.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so if you don't have cucumbers, what do you substitute it with?
Actually, we take capsicum and carrot, and you can add cheese also to it.
Oh, we don't have those right now with us.
No, we don't have it.
Okay.
So
But it's okay. I think simple is always cooler, so we can make it.
yeah. Okay, now we're cutting the cucumber,
Okay.
and
This is
after
basically,
this,
it's a
we're
fresh
gonna
dish,
cut-
right?
Yeah.
Okay, nice.
Okay, after this, we're going to take the tomatoes. Why are they laughing?
Okay, can't we make a non-vegetarian version of this if you want
Yeah,
to?
sure. You can put
So what do you substitute these with?
chicken.
So it's just chicken?
Yeah.
That'll be one yummy sandwich, like seriously.
Okay, we're done with this. Now we're going to butter the bread.
Okay. It's already smelling really good, people. I can't wait to eat it. Seriously.
Butter the bread.
Okay.
Now we're going to put the slice on this. The cucumbers.
It looks very fresh and green, just like Mauritius. Is
We'll
this
put
like
the tomatoes?
is this a daily breakfast thing also in
Yeah,
Mauritius?
it
so
is.
you all celebrate Easter every day. Nice.
We're going to put the other. Okay.
Okay.
It's ready. And you can garnish it also.
With what do you garnish it with?
Coriander and
Okay.
okay, we're
Nice.
gonna make it.
I guess it'll be
Same.
fuller if you use a lot of chicken, ham, bacon, and
Yeah.
stuff, right? Right. But I'm sure vegetarians will love this. It's looking so good, actually. Do you want help?
No.
Okay.
They're all laughing there.
So you basically stuff the sandwich with all these vegetables, so you
Yes.
can just bite into it and feel really yummy.
Yes. So it's done. I'm going to cut this.
Look at this. She's cutting it in a very, very aesthetic way. You don't do this in India, so I think it's very different. It's nice. Okay. It's a very, very full green sandwich. I mean, I love it. Can I?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, no, you should finish cutting it. What drink goes with this basically?
You can have a milkshake with it.
Okay. Something equally fresh because the sandwich is all about freshness. I mean, look at it. It's glistening with greens
You
and
can have
reds
an
and
orange
yellows.
juice.
Okay, freshly.
juice.
Right.
So you can have it. So our cheese sandwich is ready. You can taste it.
Okay, this is Le Pahadi all the way from Mauritius. It's looking so fresh and green. I'm so hungry. I just have to take a bite of this right now. Do you want a bite?
Oh, you taste and tell me how it is.
Mm, it's awesome. I can't get enough of it. No?
No, thank you. No.
So here we have Miss Varsha. She's brought us freshness into India. Le Pahadi. I think all of you all can make it. If you can get the ingredients, I think Le Pahadi can be made right in your home. So with that, we come to this episode's end. Bye. Namaste. Say namaste.